Welcome back sa ating Last Ride International Hypermarketing Basic Course and Advanced Course. Okay, so before we proceed, I want to talk about this topic na, you know, this topic may not show my screen but marami kayong matutunan dito sa video na to. These are 10 facts about Facebook advertising na kailangan mong maintindihan. These are based on my experience. Ibig sabihin, I'm gonna save you a lot of money just by watching this video. At pag nangyari sa inyo, maalala nyo na, yun yung sinabi ng Rudolph. So, you bought this course, you join our company, not only you paid for the videos, but you are actually saving money because you are now getting knowledge. You are buying yung pinaka-review ng years naming experience sa pag-advertise sa Facebook. So now, let's move on. Number one, everything is random. Ibig sabihin, pag nag-ads ka ngayon ng mani or nag-ads ka ng basketball or nag-ads ka ng charger, nobody can actually predict the result tomorrow. It depends on a lot of things. It depends on people's buying mood. Malay mo, nag-ads ka ng wala ng pera yung mga tao. Yung kaibigan mo naman, nag-ads ng malapit na yung sahod. There are a lot of factors in Facebook ads and in this business that no one can actually pinpoint yung pinaka-source. What can we only do? Or nabubul na ako. What we can only do is to keep on getting better to minimize yung mga losses. Ibig sabihin, when everything is random, it doesn't mean na nagbenta ng tuwalya ng e-commerce yung kaibigan mo, nagbenta ka ng e-commerce, parehas na kayo ng income. Okay? Everything is random. There's no way to pinpoint yung exact. And the key to this one is to keep on getting better, to keep on exerting more effort sa advertising, to improve yourself as a marketer. Okay? Ngayon, alam nyo na ha? Na not because you bought this course is magically tomorrow, yayaman ka na. It doesn't happen that way. Marami akong student na it took them 90 days before maka-recover. Meron akong student na 1 year muna bago yumaman. May student naman ako na 1 week pa lang kumita na. It's random. Hindi porket nag-workshop ako, binili nyo tong course na to, lahat kayo next week mayaman na. It doesn't happen that way. Facebook doesn't work that way. Minsan iniisip namin may ad account kami na malas or may business manager kaming malas kasi sa kaibigan namin gumagana naman yung item na yon. Everything is random. Algorithm changes very often. Yung mga method namin or yung ginagawa namin 2 years ago, 3 years ago does not work na right now. 2019, 2020, 2021, for every month there is in Facebook, the algorithm changes. Everything changes. Every second, yung algorithm sa Facebook, there are thousands and millions of advertisers and Facebook account na pinapakitaan ng ads. Facebook adjusts very, very often. It doesn't mean, okay, I remember, ibang-iba yung mga method namin 2016. 3 years ago, it was so easy. All we need to do is picture and kikita na kami ng malaki. Right now, we need to exert more effort. That's why in this course, we teach you how to do it better. Dati hindi mo kailangan maging sagad. Ngayon talagang lahat pinaghihirapan namin ni ultimong video. Dati picture lang kumikita na kami na maganda. Okay? So, ayun na. So, if ever that you bought this course, meron naman pong free update. No? In case that it falls in the category of basic, then you get the free update. If you bought the advanced course and meron tayong update, then you also get the free update. Na? There is no one magic method. Okay? There's no way that naka-find ako ng etong malakas na strategy ngayong linggo na to. It's going to work for the rest of the year. Okay? Merong mga magagaling na funnel, may mga galing na marketer that they can plot this one. We can talk about it dun sa mga advanced 10-way funnel natin sa advanced course. But for the basic one, this one, I want you to understand na hindi porket nakahanap kayo ng paraan or ng workaround into something, it's going to work forever. It doesn't work that way. There's no one magic method. Doesn't mean nga na meron kang kaibigan, kahit kasama mo na siya bahay, Meron siyang ginagawang method. At ikaw naman sinubukan mo. There's no guarantee na gagana sa iyo. Okay? Understand? Okay? Everything is random. The more advertiser on Facebook, the higher cost of ads. Ibig sabihin, Facebook is a bidding platform. Okay? Ibig sabihin, if example lang to, on a small scale, there are 10 people in the room. Okay? If you know how bidding works, there are 10 advertisers in the room. Merong isang customer or client na nag-log in sa Facebook account niya. Okay? And supposedly that client is interested on travel. Nagkataon din na kayong 10 advertiser are advertising for a travel agency or you're offering travel services. So what happens is, kayong 10, you're going to bid, okay, to that person kung sino yung mananalo. Okay, you're gonna bid by 10 cents, 5 cents, on whatnot, kung saan nagsisimula yung Facebook na yon. Okay? At kung sino yung manalo, yun yung papakitang ads. We're gonna talk about that on some other matter. But I want you to understand that Facebook is a bidding platform, and the more people who advertise on Facebook, the higher it costs. Okay, yun lang muna, no? We're gonna talk about it in our advanced course, okay? What works for me may not work for you. Maraming times sa grupo namin, or dito sa Hypermarketing Academy, meron kaming susubukan na method. Sa amin nagwo-work, kahit anong subok nitong si person B, ayaw talaga sa kanya. It's weird. At kung ano naman yung working sa kanya, pag sinubukan ko sa akin, it's not working for me. It's weird. Okay? I want you to understand that. I'm saving you money now. Para hindi kayo yung tipong, ay, ba't kaya hindi gumagana sa akin yun? Mali talaga tong tinuturo ni Rudolph eh. Hindi talaga siya magaling. Hindi po. Ganun po talaga sa Facebook. Okay? Facebook is not making it easier for us. It's very challenging for advertisers. Okay? But, it's also very rewarding. Okay? Ito yung pinaka-isang nakakatawa. More budget does not mean more sales. Okay? Ito isa sa pinaka-importante ito. When I was a newbie, okay, nag-a-ads ako ng 3,000, 5,000 at nag-generate yun ng 50,000, 70,000. I thought to myself, well, if my 3,000 and 5,000 was generating around 50 or 70 or 100,000, maybe pag binago ko yung budget ng 20,000, madodoble ang benta ko. Okay? Newbie pa ako ng 3 years ago. At ang malupit, no, ang nangyari, nasunog po yung budget ko at hindi po gumanda ang sales ko. Okay? So I want you to understand right now. Hindi porket marami kang perang pang-ads o pang-sugal, it doesn't mean more sales. Pag-uusapan nating audience overlap, how this thing works in our advanced course. But for now, on the basic one, ito muna itatandaan nyo. Okay? Kasi kung hindi gagawin ni Facebook yon at nag-ads yung mga bilyonaryo dito sa Pilipinas, no? Imaginein mo, ads lang nila yung makikita. Kawawa tayo maliliit na advertisers. So Facebook is an even platform na kahit maliit ka lang na advertisers, meron kang chance na kumita. Natawa ako noon, dati kala ko ganun. Ang tapang ko pa, in-adjust ko pa yung budget. No? Sabi ko, yayaman na ako. Dinoble ko yung budget. From 3,000 or 5,000, ginawa kong 20,000 sang araw. O ang nangyari kinabukasan, wasak yung budget ko, lugi ako. Kasi hindi ko pa naiintindihan nun. So ngayon, I'm saving you money. Do not do that. Okay? It might work. Pero the higher chance of not working is higher. Next! Rushing to the flow will result to failure. Alam niyo, marami akong estudyante that very stubborn. Sana hindi po kayo stubborn. How do you pronounce that? Hindi po ako American accent. O ganito lang, Tagalog na Tagalog. Stubborn. Okay? Ibig sabihin makulit. Ibig sabihin, pag tinuro mo yung tamang way, no, na eto yung gawin mo, no, etong gawin yung video mo, eto dapat yung caption mo, no, paghirapan mo yung video mo, gandahan mo yung thumbnail mo, oh, ang gagawin ng estudyante ko, hindi. He's just going to rush it. Kasi gusto agad kumita ng pera. Okay? Nirarush lahat. Nirarush yung website, nirush yung product description, nirush yung video, hindi ginandahan yung caption, hindi ginandahan yung landing page, no? Tapos pag walang benta, babalik sa akin, Rudolph, may problema ba si Facebook, no? May problema ba, no? Bakit wala akong benta? Tapos titingnan ko yung website, parang ginawang instant mommy kasi nagmadali, no? Guys, e-commerce is so big. This is one-way ticket para makaahon kayo sa kahirapan. Para you never have to work again in your life. Para matuto din kayo ng negosyo. Dahil dito sa hypermarketing course and last ride, not only I teach you how to do advertisement, I also improve your entrepreneurial skills. Oh, English yun ha. English yun. Take note. Huwag mo nang pa-spell sa akin. Pero yun yung point. No? Kasi sineshare ko lahat ng masishare ko sa inyo para hindi po sayang yung effort nyo. Kung OFW kayo, nanay kayo, mahihain kayo, or negosyante na kayo, tinutulungan ko po kayo. Okay? This video may not show my screen, but this means a lot. Huwag niyong i-rush. Diba? Ito pa isa. 10 facts about Facebook advertisement. Maraming advertisers that is so focused, no? Sa paggagaling or pag-i-improve ng kanilang skills para maging master advertiser. Pero, walang kadating-dating or kwenta sa poor customer service. You know why I know? Because guilty rin po ako nito before. You know, when you sell something to a customer, it should not end there. It should start there with a good relationship. Okay? Sa advanced course natin, pag-uusapan natin on how we can handle and build your customer base. Para yung repeat purchase nyo, every day, every week, malaki. Okay? So, ito lang, ang point ko lang dito. Once somebody buys from your store, that is where it should begin. Yung relationship nyo with your customer. Marami kasing advertiser, pag may bumili sa kanila, yun na yung end. Nakuha na yung pere. Bahala ka na sa buhay mo. Wala na akong pakialam sa'yo. It's because wala kang long-term plan for those people. Which is wrong. Wrong. Oh, wrong. Oh, yun ha, Pilipino. Wrong, ha? Poor customer service, wala kang pakialam sa mga customer mo. Next. Repeat purchase is one key to branding. Alam niyo yung Go Keto ko, yung ibang brand ko. Kahit hindi na ako mag-ads doon, ang daming bumabalik kasi naubusan sila ng milk tea, naubusan sila ng kape, naubusan sila ng matcha, naubusan sila ng hot chocolate. Kasi masarap yung tinda ko, healthy ang tinda ko, nakakatulong sa buhay nila. You see? Maraming advertiser, gusto lang, no, maka one-hit wonder. Yung tipong, okay, nabenta na, di ba? Wala nang pakialam sa repeat purchase. You know, Facebook advertising, no, kung wala kang pakialam sa repeat purchase, no, hindi ka survive for the long term. Can you just imagine with advertiser A, advertiser B, eto may repeat purchase, eto wala. Sino ang magsusurvive? Okay? On our advanced course, we're going to discuss on how to have a huge audience, no? Para marami kang repeat order, no? Pati mga side apps natin. Okay? Sana natututo kayo, ha? Ito yung pinaka-isang point ko. Everything can screw up in a snap. Ibig sabihin, not because everything is going well, is everything will go well. You should be prepared on everything. Ibig sabihin, kahit ako, kahit wala ka kasing ginagawa kay Facebook, minsan tinotopak po yan, no? Minsan parang adobo po yan, minsan parang babae po yan, na pag tinoyo yan, no? Kahit wala kang ginagawang mali, aawayin ka ni Facebook. I-disable yung business manager mo, i-disable yung ad account mo. Kahit yung tipong nagbebenta ka lang naman ng growers na mani, or nagbebenta ka lang ng cellphone case at walang reklamo sa page mo, pwede ka pong ma-deactivate. And by that time, no, maraming tao ang nadidepress. Rudolph, naban ang ad account ko. What am I supposed to do? Doon lang ako umaasa. Naban po ang aking business manager. Ang sagot ko, appear tayo kasi ako din. Even I, okay? Nagbebenta lang ako ng mga kape chocolate sa Go Keto. Nadi-disable din po yung Go Keto kong ad account. Mag-a-appeal ako, mababalik naman yung ad account ko. What I'm saying here, no, it's not because everything goes well for day 1 and it's going to go well for day 365. Everything can screw up. Everything can go wrong in a snap. Next! Wala na palang next. And I hope, natuto po kayo sa ating video. This video, marami kayong dapat napulot na lesson, no? At hindi ako nag-share screen sa inyo, but this is based on my experience and I feel very obligated na i-share po sa inyo lahat yan. I will see you next lesson. Have a good day.